And how many of them use their headshot as their only branding? How many of them, it looks the same on every sign, every advertisement, every Facebook post, it's the same. And so when you're thinking about your branding, this is such a lesson that I need y'all to hear. Is it's so that you can stand out, because that generic look of a man in a suit, woman with the looking just slightly to the left with the same like style haircut and dye job, all of that just gets regurgitated in people's minds as the same thing. And if yours looks just like everyone else's, it's never going to shift their mind out of anything but all they hear or see is, oh, that's another real estate agent. When you start implementing these things to stand out, even if it's just a little bit, where now your headshot's you doing something more interesting than looking 30 degrees to the right in a suit with your elbow down in front of you, it starts to grab attention a little bit more. When you're consistent with that, that's what starts to be identified as, oh, that's that real estate agent, not just another real estate agent.